Image processing course. In this video I am going to show you how to create the path for the digital images. Digital images is basically consist of a number of pixels and it has a separate intensity values. For RGB plane it has three intensities values per pixels, and for grayscale it has only one intensity values per pixel. So in this video, I am going to show you how to read the digital images and how to show it through IamShow function. So as you can see on the screen, I am writing a function image for the one image to read, and for IamShow functions to read the similar image. First, so for this I am going to here created already the path. Now this path is created through this. I am going in my folder and where the images are present, and also my working directory where I write the code. So the images and the code are placed on the same folder. I am copy this path and then paste it here. So paste it here and click the enter. Wait for a second. Then it has been appear on the left hand side, and you can see the number of images listed here. So I am using I am read command to read the images. Similar function has been implemented on the Python. If you are using a Python for the image processing, then you can use the same function almost, and also the path for making the directory also the similar, but there's some procedures and some functions may be different. So MATLAB, and it's depend upon you for image processing, which platform you prefer for your whenever you are making the projects for working on the final year. So I am using a MATLAB here to show the relevant function with the Pythons and relevant it to the uh, what are the similarities and what are the difference between them. So I am using here I am read function, similar function also implemented in Python platform. So this is I am read function to read the digital image, and I am show functions to show the image, and put the semicolon here and enter the run button. Wait for a second and then click on the new window. Then this is the figure, and I am show command to show the image. So I hope you understand what are the digital images are consist of, and what are the digital images working for the whole procedure to understand how to make the path for it, and what are actually the digital images. In this video give us the summary, that is what are the digital images and what are the path for making it. I hope you can understand, and I think